my dear students. How are you? Today I have thought to explain you a very interesting concept. But before that, let me ask you, which season it is going on? Yes, it is summer season. And you see something is always following you? What is that something you must be wondering? Yes, I am talking about the shadow. So today I am going to explain you how shadows are formed. So let's begin. So for that we are going to need an opaque object, a plane surface and a light source. So whenever the light source falls on the object, the shadow is formed. Whenever I will move the light source, the shadow will be always in the opposite direction. Can you see that every time I am moving the light source, the shadow is also moving. So we have to remember that the shadow always forms at the opposite of the light source. So the farther I take the light source, the longer the shadow will be. And the nearer I take the light source, the shorter the shadow will be. And when I take the light source overhead of the object, you will see a very minimal or a very small shadow or a zero shadow. This phenomenon is called as no shadow. So on our natural earth, there is a very interesting phenomenon which is called as the zero shadow day. It happens on the earth twice, and it happens only between the regions of Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. You will not experience these above the Tropic of Cancer or below the Tropic of Capricorn. So now what happens? So our earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. So whenever the earth is revolving and rotating, there is one point where the sun's light are falling directly on Tropic of Cancer, and that is the time all the places on that altitude will experience zero shadow day. Whenever the sun will be exactly overhead of the equator, all the regions near the equator will observe zero shadow day, and same goes for Tropic of Capricorn. So only between these regions you will find zero shadow day experience. Other regions won't experience this. This is only because of the tilt of the earth. I hope you enjoyed the concept. Thank you.